Hi trader, this is Mario from Forex Other Way. In one of my videos entitled, let me tell you, it's Finding Market Reversal Points Make WD Gann Square of Nine Work for You. I've shown you a method of simple candle counting based on Square of Nine, and I assured you that this method is working pretty well. In this video, I will show you one example how Square of Nine can work if you watch this video carefully and apply this method. So let's start the rock and roll. So first thing first. The first question was from Cram Osmond. Cram Osmond was asking whether this method is working on 4-hour charts. Cram, it does on any time frame. The only thing you need to do, you need to spot the first wave. You spot the number of candles from the starting candle. You will see, if you watch this video further on, you will see how Juan Francisco, sorry if I pronounce it badly, how Juan did it on his chart with Euro USD. So Juan just written in the comment, I studied this method and worked it out on Euro USD. Please leave a comment. Juan, thank you very much for your comment. You did excellent, wonderful job. I just prepared what you did already and I've got it here. So let me show you what Juan did. Juan found the lowest point on the chart of Euro USD in 2019. And this is the point I mark it with the arrow. Okay, so this is the lowest point of 2019, and the value was whatever 1.08790. We are not talking now what place on Square of Nine would it correspond at the moment, but let me show you where the idea was. The idea was from the starting point. The candles have been counted and first turning point appeared over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the fifth candle. And Juan realized that the fifth candle is over here on diagonal on Square of Nine. So Juan, you presume that probably the next turning points might be in harmonics alongside this diagonal. So you made 17, 37, 65, 100, and so on. So I marked those points already. So over here we got 17 candles from this starting point. As far as I remember, let me have a butcher's. You started from, not from the lowest point, you started from one candle before. I would do it, I would start right from the candle with the lowest point. You can count it from one before if you wish, if it works for you. But the way I would do, I would start from the candle which was the lowest and then started counting. That's the reason there is a difference between your chart and my chart. So let's go further. So we got 17 here, 37 candles shown this top, and 65 candles shown first impulse down over here, and the candle of 101 shown this impulse, first impulse, and the candle 145 shown this impulse. And as you see, it did the job. One started from this candle, one candle before, and the first candle of the impulse started counting as an important one, and all those lines were moved to the left 1 point, so he spotted exactly this top, exactly this bottom, which might have been a better method, and here he just missed it one, but as a general idea, it worked. The next candle appears 197 candles from the start, which is here, 97, and the date is 20th of June 2020. This is pretty important date, and obviously turning point might occur at that date because there is a summer solstice. You know, the sun is moving from the Taurus to Gemini, I think, is it? Let me check it. Let me check it. I've got it here. And let's go to the 20th of June and we will see. Here we go. Exactly, the sun is at 29, Gemini 37, and in a couple of hours, this time is 1:18 p.m. So this is something like 7 a.m. New York time. So let's move it further and we'll see. Here we go. Exactly on 5 p.m. New York time, the sun gets entering into the Gemini from Taurus. So this is important turning point. What I still would like to show you in this video, important thing. When you realize we have spoken about square of 9, we got square of 9 over here, and I just want to stress one thing. The lowest and the highest points of last couple of months, good year and over. I want to show you what happened here. Those extremes are pretty important because here we got the low of 106,335. Let me write it, 106,335. Intentionally, I do it without the point. So I leave it like that, 6 figures without the comma here. And if you take a square root of this number, you get 32609. And so we got 32609 from one side. From the other side, we got the high here, which is 114,964. If we get 114,964 and get square root from this value, we got 33906. So let's have a look, let's have a butchers at square of 9. We got two values, 3 to 6, which is over here. I mark it, 3 to 6, 12. And the other one, we've got 33906, so it's nearly 339. It's over here. It's just at the beginning of 339. What I wanted to show you, those points, the cross, this point was considered as a starting point on a square of 9 by W.D. Gann, and he counted degrees from this area, this way and this way. So from here to here is 45 degrees. As you can see, this is the angle of 45. Same story is here, 45 degrees from this horizontal line. And here we got 90 degrees. If you look carefully, 339 is exactly in the middle between 0 and 45 degrees. So this is 22 and half. Very important measurement, angular measurement. And here the price stopped as 326, so it's nearly here. That's how it stopped here. And here we move it just to keep it more precise, to get it through the middle. So that was the point when the price started. You presume. So 45 degrees from here, angular 45 degrees, should be 335. And here the market should get the balance. And when you square 335, you get 112.22. So 112.22 is the place where the market get the balance. 112.22 is somewhere over here. It's just an information for you guys, just to watch it carefully. Look, this is 112.23, let's say. So this is the area where on the square of 9 the market would get balance between this value, as if we consider that it was one extreme, And the other extreme, 90 degree, should be here, because from here to here is 90 degree. 344 if you check it, 344 if you square it, you get 118,336. This is eventual point when the market should reverse, that the trend should change at this level, 1.1833, because from the bottom here, the square root of the price was here, to the next 90 degree is right here at 344. So I hope it clarified all the questions you had regarding this counting the candles. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.